In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to untag yourself on Instagram. Sometimes, you might find that you've been tagged in a photo or post that you don't want to be associated with. Don't worry, you can easily remove the tag yourself in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to find all those posts where you've been tagged. To do that, tap on this button. Now you'll see all the posts that you've been tagged in. Scroll through your tagged posts and select the specific post that you want to untag yourself from. Once you have selected your desired post, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the post. A menu will appear after tapping the dots. From this menu, tap Tag Options. Next, tap Remove Me from Post. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure about this action. Just tap Remove to confirm your choice. And there you go. That's exactly how to untag yourself from any post on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.